Hello everyone, it's SpawnPoiint and today we're getting hands-on and taking a closer look at the brand new Pulse Explore, which are PlayStation's new wireless gaming earbuds for the PS5. We'll get these unboxed and set up, then talk about the features, do a mic test, as well as cover which devices you can actually use them with. So if you were thinking about picking these up for your PlayStation Portal, PS5, PC or mobile, hopefully today's video will help you out. Okay, so like with all of the other PlayStation 5 accessories that we've seen, these are clearly branded with the PS5 in mind, which means they are aiming this more towards gaming than anything else. But let's get this opened up and see what's inside. So we get an information card showing how to set these up, then under that is the Pulse Explore charging case. Okay, now this is a lot bigger than I was expecting, but it looks clean and I'm really liking the minimal design. But let me come back to this in a minute. We also have a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, which we'll obviously use to charge the case. And here's a USB-A dongle for PlayStation Link, and if you look really closely, you've got these cool little icons on the side. And it looks like we get 3 extra pairs of ear tips. Oh, and there's the warranty information under that as well. But this is all that we get inside the box. Now looking at the case, you can see that these do have the same design as the PS5 and all of the other PS5 accessories. All black and white, and even the shape resembles the PS5. Looking around, there's a tiny PlayStation icon on the front. Then on one side, there's a USB-C port for charging it. And to get this opened up, we just need to pull and slide and it opens the case up. Okay, and here they are. And on first impressions, they look great. But let's get these out and take a closer look. Okay, so we have the same white and black design with the PlayStation logo on the front. And I quite like how the design looks like it kind of wraps around the top. But there's no denying that these are PlayStation earbuds with the same design, which I'm really liking. We've got this clean and minimal vibe, which isn't like anything that we've seen before in terms of earbuds. And you can already tell these will fit right at home with the other PlayStation accessories. Then if we flip this around, we have the metal contacts at the top for charging it in the case, and another set of ear tips, so we actually get 4 pairs in total in the box. Oh, and if you look really closely, we get those same tiny PlayStation icons, like the ones we have on the controllers and the console covers. As for the controls on these, well, we have a total of 2 buttons on each earbud. So we have a link button, which is what connects and pairs them to either a USB dongle or a link compatible device like the Portal. And we also have the volume button, so a tiny plus and minus button on each side. Now you might be wondering where and how you can use the Pulse Explore earbuds. Well, firstly, they come with PlayStation's new link connectivity that will allow you to connect them directly to the PlayStation Portal. All you need to do is tap the link button on either the earbuds or inside the case. Then do the same on the Portal menu and that's it. They are connected and we are good to go. There's no lag either, so it's perfect for gaming. I've tested these out today and they were seamless, and it's probably the best way to use it and play on the PlayStation Portal. And that's considering the Portal doesn't have Bluetooth. Then if you want to use it on something like your PlayStation 5, PC or Mac, you'll need to use the provided USB dongle. This plugs into the USB-A port and gives you the same PlayStation Link connectivity. Now although it comes with one in the box you can use on your PS5, you can actually buy more of these. So if you wanted to jump between different consoles or PCs, you don't need to keep unplugging it and moving it around. Just buy an extra one and keep that on your PC. And talking about the PlayStation 5, I think these would be perfect for using with the PSVR 2 headset, as it's going to be far easier to wear these as opposed to a normal headset. And I can tell you now, these are a huge step up from the included earbuds that you get with the PSVR 2. And on top of using PlayStation Link, these earbuds also support Bluetooth. So any device that you already own that supports Bluetooth will work and connect. We're talking mobiles, tablets, laptops, even handheld gaming devices. So although these are clearly aimed at the PlayStation 5 or gaming in general, you could use these on your phone for music and taking calls. And not only that, they support dual device connectivity. So you could be gaming on your PS5 or Portal while taking a call or listening to music from your phone. This is a game changer for those that want to listen to music or maybe chat in Discord at the same time. Okay, let's talk about the specs and features. So PlayStation have designed these earbuds with gaming in mind, and they have decided to include studio level planar magnetic drivers. This means you're supposed to hear more detail, improve sound, and it takes advantage of the PS5's Tempest 3D audio. And as mentioned, these use the PlayStation Link connectivity. So the audio that we are getting is not just lossless, it is lag-free. It is near instant with ultra low latency. Now it's all good telling you these specs and what they are capable of, but how do they actually sound? Well, from the few hours that I've been using them across several devices, these sound really good. The sound is full and precise, and thanks to that Tempest 3D audio, you can hear everything around you. I played some Modern Warfare 3 and was impressed by how much I could pick up from the enemies around me. The sound was clean and sharp and not overly bassy, which to be honest I'm fine with when it comes to earbuds for gaming. I also played some GT7, which I'd normally play on my TV through the speakers, but this felt crazy immersive with the earbuds on instead. And it's not just gaming, as these connect to your phone, you could use these for music as well. Now they don't come with any other controls other than volume, so you won't be able to make any changes to the levels or EQ like you can with some other headsets. Now you might have assumed this already, but these do have microphones built in. They've done a pretty good job of hiding them, but there are 2 integrated mics. This means you can use these to make and receive calls on your phone as well as chat with your teammates. And not only that, but it uses AI enhanced noise rejection to make your voice sound even better. Supposedly, it's able to remove unwanted noises in your room, even when you're eating or breathing loudly, so that should put an end to you annoying your mates. I think these sound okay for earbuds. Obviously a proper headset and mic will be better, but take a listen to this and tell me what you think. Okay, so this is a mic test on the Pulse Explorer earbuds, just to give an idea of what the audio and the microphone quality sounds like. I think these sound okay, but what do you think? And then just for the sake of testing, I had to demonstrate how the noise rejection works. So here's what my iPhone is picking up compared to what the earbuds pick up with the microphone. Now the only downside on these is there's actually no mute button on the earbuds themselves. Not a huge issue if you're playing on the PS5, as you'll obviously tap the PlayStation controller button instead. But if you're on mobile or another device, you're going to have to go into the settings to mute it. So this could be a problem if you didn't want your mic to be on during that call. Another big point worth talking about is comfort, how they actually feel in the ear. Well, the fact is it comes with 3 spare sets of ear tips and the standard ones already fitted, so they should be suitable for everyone. I've used them for a couple of hours and they feel snug and don't feel like they're going to fall out. Personally, I prefer wearing headphones over earbuds, but these feel really nice to wear. Oh, but just a note, make sure you use the correct size ear tips, otherwise they either won't fit properly or they won't sound great. So have a play around with the different ear tips and double check which one fits. Now the battery on these are rated at around 5 hours, which should be enough time for most gaming sessions or while you're out and about. But on top of that, the case itself holds an additional 10 hours of battery, so you can pop your earbuds back in and charge them up another 2 times. And as you can see, they just drop in and connect to the metal contacts inside the case. And when the earbuds and the case are flat, that's when the USB-C cable comes in. Just connect this and we're now charging both the earbuds and the case ready for the next session. And what's cool as well is you might have noticed there is an LED icon on the front of the case, and that tells us what the current battery or charging status is. Oh, and if you're on the PS5, you can actually see the battery status on here as well. Now, although this case is pretty big, it's still compact enough to fit in your pocket or obviously in your bag. So I can imagine these being pretty portable and something I would carry with me when I'm on my phone. So the ultimate question is, are they worth buying? Well, if you're looking for a pair of earbuds that you can use on your PlayStation Portal, PS5, mobile and PC, these kind of do it all. Not only that, but I think they look nice, have a cool charging case, decent sound and impressive noise rejection when using the mic. I will definitely be using these with the Portal, but I can see myself replacing my AirPods with them as well. But what do you think? Would you buy these over another set of headphones for gaming? Or do you think a normal headset and mic is better overall? Now drop a nice PS5 earbuds in the comments and I'll give you a thumbs up for staying right till the end. And if you did enjoy today's video, check out my PS5 Slim or PlayStation Portal videos next. Thanks for watching, please like, sub and follow me everywhere. Until next time.